Have you ever wondered about the true forms of mythical creatures and how their images might have changed over thousands of years? It is fascinating how stories transform across generations and cultures, sometimes dramatically altering what we thought we knew. Yes, ancient Greek myths originally described sirens primarily as bird-like beings, often with the heads of women and the bodies of birds, not the fish-tailed figures most commonly imagined today. Their enchanting, yet deadly, songs were their defining characteristic, luring sailors to their doom. This bird-like depiction is rooted in some of the earliest accounts, most famously in Homer's Odyssey, where they are dangerous creatures living on an island, ready to shipwreck unwary sailors with their irresistible voices. Their classical form, as depicted in art and literature from that period, consistently showed them with feathered bodies, wings, and sometimes even talons. It was much later, influenced by Roman mythology and evolving folklore, that the imagery of sirens began to merge with that of mermaids, eventually leading to the fish-tailed creatures we recognize more broadly today. Understanding this evolution helps us appreciate the fluidity of ancient storytelling and how cultural exchange shaped these iconic figures. When exploring ancient Greek art or texts, you can look for these telltale bird features. It gives a richer historical context to their role in myths, moving beyond a single modern interpretation. The very name siren is believed by some to be connected to the Greek word sera, meaning rope or cord, hinting at the binding nature of their irresistible song. This original bird-woman form also linked them symbolically to the underworld and death, similar to harpies, making their seduction a fatal snare for those who heard their melody. Ultimately, the story of the sirens shows us that myths are living narratives, constantly adapted and reinterpreted across time. Recognizing their initial bird-like appearance not only enriches our understanding of Greek antiquity but also highlights the dynamic nature of cultural beliefs and artistic representation.